How often should you really be doing treatment like Ultherapy, Botox, or fillers? The answer is not always about doing more. It is about knowing when your face actually needs maintenance and when it is better to wait. In general, many aesthetic treatments can be safely repeated on a regular basis when they're done properly and with the right strategy. For therapy, some patients do it routinely once a year, but the provider needs to understand the patient's face, what depth to treat, and how much energy to deliver. For neuromodulators like Botox, Dysport, Jeuveau, or Xeomin, results usually wear off in about 3 to 5 months. With repeated use, they're generally safe, but in some cases, the body may become less responsive or develop resistance. When that happens, switching brands can often help. For fillers, results can last anywhere from 6 months to a year or longer, depending on the products, area, and patient. Most fillers are temporarily and gradually absorbed over time, so it can be repeated safely when done with good judgment. The goal is not to overtreat. The goal is to maintain natural results safely.